all the executive members. I thank the APSA India chapter. You give the police officer that PowerPoint file containing all the information that he or she asked. With one click from your office, that police officer can share with his boss. His boss can see it on his mobile phone, and they can decide, oh, this is a very serious case. These people will probably attack many other areas in Malaysia or maybe in the neighboring countries of Singapore. Let us share this incident report across Malaysia in one click. All police stations, all police officers will receive that instantly on their mobile phones. No need to ask, no need to phone anybody, and this information is shared in a standardized format. So, having given you this background, I will show you one small video in your own language, giving you the brief idea of what the software will do. And remember, our technology is just a software. It works with every camera system in the world. It will work with every camera system which will be produced in the next 10 years or 20 years. It has no question about working only with camera A, camera B or camera C. It will work with any video. It is an extremely useful software for the police themselves. It is an extremely useful software for the defense forces. Let us standardize everything. So let me start by showing you this short video.
Komser adalah alat simbatan semula ulang tayang video pengawasan keselamatan yang canggih yang juga membuat salinan sokongan dalam bentuk tangkapan skrin di lokasi yang berbeza dengan garis. Komser memudahkan pengawasan retrospektif, menyediakan laporan pintar insiden dan boleh beroperasi dengan semua jenis kamera dan sistem pengurasan video. Komser menjadikan pemeriksaan semula rakaman video mudah dan cepat. Dengan menggunakan Komser, anda boleh memeriksa semula rakaman video yang berjam-jam lamanya dalam beberapa minit. Walaupun anda jauh dari alat perakam anda, ini dapat mendorong anda untuk melakukan simakan kerap sebagai tata cara operasi standard. Jika anda kerap memeriksa rakaman video, anda akan menemui pelbagai anomali operasi di tempat anda. Hei, kenapa sasar kecil dibawa ke mama? Dia tidak sepatutnya berada di arah situ. Oh Tuhan, orang itu telah mencuri belian kita. Oh tidak, lelaki itu merokok dalam kilang gas kita. Lihat itu, pekerja itu tidak mengendahkan pelanggan utama kami. Oh tidak, pengawal keselamatan itu sedang tidur. Anda mungkin menjumpai ratusan anomali operasi termasuklah kamera-kamera yang tidak berfungsi apabila anda kerap memeriksa semula rakaman video. Pemeriksaan rakaman kerap dapat mencegah kerugian, menambah baik operasi dan meningkatkan jualan serta menyelesaikan kes jenayah dengan lebih cepat. Dalam kes jenayah serius seperti kekerasan, rompakan atau keganasan, pemeriksaan semula muat cepat membolehkan pihak berkenaan mengambil tindakan segera. Dengan Komser, anda boleh zoom dan sorot kamera untuk mengambil tangkapan skrin yang boleh dijadikan paparan video mudah dikongsi. Amaran palsu yang dikeluarkan alat pengawasan keselamatan adalah biasa dan campur tangan manusia selalu diperlukan. Jadi, kenapa tidak membenarkan Komser membantu anda untuk campur tangan dengan lebih senang melalui pemeriksaan rakaman yang cepat dan kasar. Membuat salinan sokongan video dalam bentuk tangkapan skrin adalah satu lagi kemudahan canggih yang Comser dapat berikan anda. Salinan sokongan memastikan anda boleh mengharapkan salinan kedua sekiranya alat perakam anda dicuri, dimusnahkan atau dirosakkan. Comser membuat salinan sokongan video dalam bentuk tangkapan skrin sehingga ke 5 lokasi secara langsung. Oleh kerana rakaman video sentiasa digantikan rakaman baru dalam masa selang beberapa hari, Comser adalah peranti tambahan untuk kelengkapan perakam anda yang menyimpan salinan sokongan penting setiap masa. Akhir sekali, dengan Comser, anda boleh pandai dan melakukan carian untuk gambar pada bila-bila masa. Cipta laporan insiden dalam PowerPoint bersama dengan penerangan kejadian dan imej-imej berkaitan, dan kumpulkan ratusan foto yang mempunyai maklumat berkaitan insiden. Sebagai contoh, anda boleh menggunakan ciri ini untuk mencipta senarai pekerja dan maklumat tentang waktu kerja masing-masing. CCTV dengan sendirinya tidak cukup. Anda perlu mengambil langkah tambahan untuk melindungi keluarga dan perniagaan anda. Dan ingatlah, utamakan aspek pencegahan terlebih dahulu. Fikirkan pasal pampasan insurans kemudian. Malah berunding dengan syarikat insurans anda untuk mendapatkan kadar perlindungan yang lebih baik memandangkan kadar kerugian dan jenayah yang rendah di tempat anda. Seperti mana yang selalu dikatakan, mencegah lebih baik daripada mengobati. Dapatkan Comser sekarang untuk hasil yang lebih baik. Jangan tunggu sehingga perkara yang tidak diingini berlaku. Hubungi kami di ineedcomser@comser.biz untuk membuat pesanan anda sekarang.
Thank you very much. I hope the translation of the Malaysian video was quite good, and I hope this gives you a good idea of what the technology can do for you. So now let me show you the technology. And to start, let me therefore bring a video. I can't bring Aishwarya Rai, but I can bring a video from India. So this is a video outside my office in India. This is live right now, and it's streaming and coming to this machine via the internet. Simple. There is another video which is inside my office, 4 cameras streaming, and it's coming here on my machine in Malaysia. Normally people see 16 videos at the same time. So you will see on a monitor 16 cameras at the same time. Now this is our software. This is Comser. So simple. This software will be able to do everything that I told you. Number one, it will be able to audit 24 hours of video in 24 minutes. You can see 24 hours of video in 24 minutes without missing anything. You must remember that as long as you have situational awareness, as long as you know what to look for, you will be able to find out what is right and what is wrong. And you will be able to use your human eyes and human mind to decide what is right and what is wrong. The second thing that the software is doing right now, as you can see here, I have 2 videos coming. One is from the main gate and one is from the office. At every 1 second, the software is converting the video into a JPEG image. At every 1 second. Now, how many of you deal in CCTV? Wonderful. So everybody knows that a CCTV video is made up of 25 frames per second. Or 15 frames per second. So the moment is that 1 second. What we did was we captured that 1 second, that moment consisting of 25 frames. that moment consisting of 15 frames, which means the unnecessary frames without losing anything have been removed. That means your data size has gone down by 25 times. Number one. Number two, the screenshots are being saved on my computer in your office, which means that if there is a theft or a bomb blast or a problem in Bombay and the evidence is lost, there is no problem. I have all the evidence in the APSA office on this machine. Along with the evidence on this machine, the screenshots are also being sent automatically through the cloud to Dropbox, to SkyDrive, to Google Drive, which means even if somebody steals this. Number two, now let us look at the auditing angle. So let us start by seeing what has been happening inside my office. As you can see, there are 4 cameras here. This is the first screenshot that we took at 10 o'clock in the morning and the last screenshot at 11:30. So I just flagged him and I'll come back to him later. Let me go and finish all my auditing. Okay, everything is fine. It seems okay. There is no problem. Now I have found somebody is wasting time in camera number 4. See, he's wasting, not a crime, but he's wasting his time. So I will flag him here. And I will go. Now can you see in camera number 4 again there is some meeting. It was, unfortunately, after every attack, the police has to go around the place of the crime and then go and get videos from different places. But that's after the attack, right? Now, see this man's head. His head is extreme right. Look, he's looking that side, okay, to his extremely right. This man, he's a rickshaw puller. He is looking like this, okay, and the suspect number, he's and they may create some havoc. Now, when the Malaysian Home Department or Interior Ministry receives this information, it has to ensure that this information goes to every police station. Every police station has to ensure that it goes to every police officer. And if there are many photos, because criminals and terrorists are not just, okay, 10 or 20 or 30. Thank you very much. And the person is writing down actually that he has checked this in the book or in an Excel sheet.